Fine. Today is 19th, okay? Now what they are asking, test your understanding, is it right? Test your understanding. On January 1st, the issued share capital of pillbox was how much? Issued share capital, they have the preference shares, okay? They have the preference shares are how much? 12 million, okay? 12 million of one each. Is it right? Means it comes to how much? It comes to 12 million. They have ordinary shares. Okay, they have ordinary shares. Ordinary shares are how much? 10 million. Okay, 10 million at the rate of 1. Is it right? It comes to how much? 10 million. Assume that where appropriate, the income tax rate is how much? They have a set about tax rate. They say that tax rate is 30%. The year earnings are how much? Earnings after tax, is it? Earnings is how much? 5950. Is that 5950? What they are asking us, calculate the EPS for A to D, DPS for E to F separately in respect of the year 31st December of the following circumstances based on this one. Okay, there is no change on the issued share capital of the company. Tell me how we are calculating EPS. EPS, there is no change. If there is no change, what is the formula? Earnings divided by number of shares, number of equity shares. Okay, earnings divided by number of equity shares. How much is there? 5950 divided by equity shares are how much? 10 million shares. Is it 10 million shares? It comes to how much? Put it in cents. 0.59. $0.59.
$59.5.
59 point. Okay. How much is there? 59.5 cents. Okay. Per share. Now tell me, they have a bonus issue on 1st October. They have a bonus issue for for one ordinary share for every 4 shares. Is it for one ordinary shares of every 4 shares? They have a bonus issue. The company made a bonus issue of one ordinary shares of for every 4 shares. In there, how many shares will be there? Earnings will be how much? Earnings will be same. Okay, earnings
59.
will be same. Okay, earnings will be same. Number of shares will be how much? Number of shares. What is the bonus fraction?
Market value.
No, bonus fraction is what? Number of shares include, see, 10 million shares, is right? 10 million shares. Bonus fraction is a 5 for 1 by 5. Okay, 1 for every 4 shares they will get 1. Means after bonus issue. After bonus issue, how many shares? After bonus issue, is it right? After bonus issue divided by before bonus issue. Is it before bonus issue? After bonus, how much is there? 5 by 1. Okay, after bonus issue, how many shares? You will have 5 shares. After before bonus issue, how many shares will be there? 4 shares will be there. Okay, total number of shares will be how much? 10 million shares. Okay, 10 million shares into 5 by 4. How much? 10 into 5 divided by 4. It comes to how much?
125. 10 million.
12.5 million shares. Check.
Okay.
12.5 million shares. Is it okay? 10 million, 10 million. If you have doubt, you put all the values, okay? If you have the doubt, you put all the values. Is it clear? Take your time. Simply, before bonus issue, you have 10 million shares. After bonus issue, how many shares will have? What happened?
Nothing. I think.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
EPS will be how much? EPS will be 5950 divided by 12.5 million shares. This is dollar, this is share. How much is there? 5950 divided by 12. It comes to how much?
0.4.
476 cents per share. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes, doctor.
Is it fine?
Yeah, doctor.
Yeah, it is fine.
Yes. Point number C. Okay. Point number C. What they are asking, they have issued shares for every 10. One share for 10. When they have issued, they issued on 1st August. Is that they issued on 1st August. 1st to July separately and August to December separately. Is that what we have to do? First we have weighted. In that case we have to calculate weighted average. Is that weighted average number of shares? Is that 1st January? Okay, 1st January. How many shares are there? 10,000, 10 million shares. Is it right? How many shares are there? 10 million. Okay, 10 million. Fine. 10 million shares. What is the fraction? How many shares? What is the time element? This is from January to July. Okay, they have issued on 1st August. They issued on 1st August. Means what is the fraction? You will get a fraction of 7 by 12. Is that you will get a fraction of 7 by 12. How much you will get? 10 million into 7 by 12. 10 million into 7 by 12. How much? 5.83 million shares. Yes or no?
Doctor.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
Is it okay?
Yeah, doctor. Yeah.
One for 10 issue. Is it at 1 for 10 issues? Means how many will be there? How many shares we are going to issue? 1 million shares. Is it right? For one share, for 10 shares, 1 share. Is it right? 1 share. For 10 million shares, how much? Is it right? How much? 10 million divided by 10 into 1, it comes to how much? 1 million shares. Okay, 1 million shares. These shares will be there for how many? Total how many shares? It is 11 million shares. Is it 11 million? And what is the time period for this? The time, what is the fraction? Time fraction? Time fraction will be what? This will be from when? This will be from August to December. August, September, October, November, December. What is the time fraction? 5 by 12. Okay, 5 by 12.
Yeah.
Is it right? 11 into 5 by 12, how much? Is it right? 4.58. Okay, 4.58 million shares. Total,
Yes.
total how many shares? 5.83 plus 4.58. It comes to how much? 10.41 million shares. Okay, 10.41 million shares. EPS. Is it right? What is the 5950? We are little bit careful on this. Okay, rounding off. Okay, 10.1041. Okay, we don't know how this is 3, this is 3, this is 4 point, how much you got it? 1 times 5 divided by 12, it comes to 4.1. 1 minute. 11 into 5 divided by 12, 4.583. Okay, 4.583. If it is 4.583, it comes to how much? 10.416. Check again. Is it 10.416 million shares? 10.416. How much you will get? 5950 divided by 10.416.
5950.
How much?
416. 0.57. 5712
cents
Yeah,
per
57.
share.
Yes.
Is it 517 point per share? Okay. Now, are you clear about this?
Yes, doctor.
Hussein and Sumayya, is it okay?
Yeah.
Yes, doctor.
Next. Now, we are doing complete revision. What we are doing? Be very specific. Okay. The company made rights issue 1 ordinary share on 1st October in the proportion of 1 for every 3 shares held at a price of 3. The middle market price of the share of last day of quotation is how much? 4. This is going to be fair value. This is going to be the exercise price, exercise value. Now, how many steps are there? How many steps are there?
4.
4. The first step is what?
TERT.
Yes. Step 1 is what? Theoretical X right price. Okay. Multiple choice question, don't do it or accordingly. Okay. Multiple choice questions. Number of shares. Okay. Price is that price value. Okay. Number of shares, price value. How many shares are there? They are issuing for every 3 shares. Is that what is the market price? Market price is 4. Okay, 3 into 4, how much it comes? It comes to 12. It comes to 12. They are issuing one share, is it right? This is existing shares. Okay, these are existing shares. Existing shares. How many rights issue are there? Rights issue is how much? 1. What is the value? 3. It comes to how much? 3. Total comes to how much? 15. Okay, total comes to how much? 15. Fine. Now theoretical, what is the theoretical X price is how much? Theoretical X price is how much? Theoretical X price is, theoretical X rights price is, what is the formula for that? Fair value minus exercise value divided by fair value.
Yeah.
Is it right? Divided by fair value. No, 1 minute. No.
Value divide by number of share. Yeah.
How much? Value divided by number of shares.
Number of shares. Okay. 15 divide 4.
Yeah, 15 divided by 4. Yes. How much you will get? 3.7.
Yeah.
Okay, 3.75. Okay, next. What is the second step? Step 2, bonus fraction.
Bonus fraction.
Okay, bonus fraction. Bonus fraction is how? What is the formula for bonus fraction? What we have done?
Market value as per share. Divide by TERP.
Market value divided by TERP.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Just don't do anything. Okay. Market value is 4. TERP is how much? 3.75.
Yes.
Okay. TERP is how much? 3.75. Now, what is step 3? Weighted.
Weighted.
It is weighted average shares. Is it weighted? I'm little bit multiple choice. I'm putting in a short term. Okay, in a short way. Date. Is it number of shares? Is it right? You have 3 things. One is bonus fraction. Is it right? The second one is time fraction. Is it right? The last one is number of shares. Date is how much? 1st January. Is that 1st January? How many shares are there? 10 million shares. Bonus fraction is how much? 4 divided by 3.75. Is that 4 divided by 3? When they have issued on 1st October. They have issued on 1st October means you have to calculate date 30th September. September means how many time fraction will be how much? Till September how many months? 9 months. 9 divided by 12. Is that 9 divided by 12? How much you will get? 10 times 4, 3.75 times 9, 12. Check. How much you will get? 8 million. Why Hussein is silent today?
I'm here, doctor.
Is it 8
Yes, doctor.
8 million?
Yeah.
Now,
7.79.98.
1st October. Yeah, 1st October. How many shares are there? First October. How many shares are there?
One of every three.
One of every three. How many shares will be there? For three shares, 1. Okay. For 10 million shares, how much? 10 divided by 3 into 1. It comes to how much? 3.33. Is it right?
Yeah.
Total how much? 13.33. Okay. 13.33. Is it fine? Total
Yes.
of 10 plus. What is the bonus time fraction? Time fraction is 3 by 12. Time fraction is how much? 3 by 12. 13.33 times 3 divided by 12. How much you will get? How much you will get? 13.33 times 3 divided by 12. Calculator is not with you, please.
Yeah. 3.33.
Total how much will get? 11.33 million shares. Is it right? 11.33 million shares. Now we have to do what? We have to do EPS. Okay, we have to do earning per share. Earning per share is 5950 divided by 11.33. You can put 333 or nothing will happen. Okay, you can put continuously 333, nothing will happen. How much you will get?
$525.
Huh?
525.
No.
0.525.
52.5 cents per share.
52.5.
Is it okay?
Yes.
Next. Fine. Now slowly you are understanding. Okay. The moment we reach the end of the chapter, then you will have the grip. The company made no issue. If I am fast, tell me please slow. There is no hesitation from your side. Understand my point? If I am little bit fast, please say, sir, Dr. Slow, Kalas. The company made no new issue of shares during the year end 31st, but to date it had issued how many? 2.6 convertible bonds. These bonds can be converted into ordinary shares as follows. What I told you yesterday, we have to take for the, when you are doing it, we have to take it for the first year only. They will give you for 4 years, 5 years, 3 years. We have to stick to the first year only. Is that first year? Is fine. Now, what happens? How much is the earnings? Okay, how many shares will be there? Make it a point. Okay, number of shares. Number of shares will be how much? Equity shares. Is it right? Equity shares will be the same. Okay, how many equity shares? 10 million shares. Okay, now add convertible. Is that convertible? Convertible is how much? What is the value of bonds? 260. Okay, 260 times. Okay, 260 times. Next, how much is there? 260 times 90 by 100. How much you will get? You can put 2.6 also. Nothing will happen. Is it 2.6 also you can put? Is it right? 2.6 also you can write. Nothing will happen. Is it 2.6 million into 90 by 100? How much you will get?
$2.34.
2.34.
34.
Is it 2.34 million shares? Total will be how much? Total will be 12.34 million shares. Okay, this is N. Okay, now you are converting. Is that you are converting? When you convert, see, whenever you convert, two things are very important. First thing is you have to add the savings on interest. One, you have to add savings on interest. Second thing, what you have to do, you have to deduct the tax. Okay, you have to deduct the tax. Okay, or you have to take 1 minus tax also. Okay, you have to take 1 minus tax also. Now earnings will be how much? Earnings, revised earnings. Okay, revised earnings. This is revised number of shares. Okay, revised number of shares. Revised earnings is what? You have existing earnings. Is it right? You have existing earnings. Existing is earnings is how much? 5.95 million. If I write like this, it is okay for you?
Yes, yes.
Okay, I am putting dollar sign so that you should not get confused. Okay, plus savings. How much is the savings? How much is the savings? Savings is 2.6 million times 10% interest. Is that times 10% interest? It comes to how much? 2.6 times 10%. It comes to 0.26.
Yeah.
Is it 0.26? On this 0. Otherwise you can take like this. I will show you a shortcut. Okay, I will show you a shortcut. Okay, if you are comfortable, you have to tell. Okay, is that after say you put like this. Okay, savings after tax. Okay, savings after tax. Okay, see the thing. Savings is a $2.6 million. Okay, 2.6 million into 10%. 1 minus T. Tax is how much? 30%. Is it right? Tax is how much? 30%. How much you are taking? 70%. Is that 1 minus T? 1 minus 0.3. It comes to 0.7 or 70%. Is it right? Or 70%. Okay, fine. This is that working I have done on the right hand side like this. It means after tax we are going to get how much? How much you will get? Is it okay with this? If I write like this, is it okay?
This is something new, I see.
Nothing new, dear. See, nothing new. I will put like this. Okay, nothing new. It is how much? 2.6. Okay, how much interest? Interest is how much? Interest is 2.6 million. Okay, 2.6 million. How much you are going to save? You are going to save 10% now. Is it?
Yeah.
10% saving. 10% savings means how much you will save? 0.26 million. Is it okay?
Yes.
Is it? On that tax, how much you will pay? You will pay tax of how much? 30%. Is it right? How much you are going to pay tax? 30%. It comes to how much? 0.26 into 0.3. Is it right? How much? 0.078 million. Okay. How much you will have? 0.26 minus 0.078. It comes to 0.0 0.182. Is a 0.182 minus 2.6. One minute. 2.418 plus 5.95. How much we are saving tax? We are saving tax of how much?
1.82.
We are saving interest is how much? We are saving interest of 0.26. Okay,
Next.
0.26. We are after paying tax. How much we will get? 0.182. Is that 0.182 plus 5.95? Yes, no problem. Fine. Now, okay. See the things. How much you see? How much you are how much you are paying interest? 2.6 million. Sir, what is the bond value? 1 minute. What is the bond value? Bond value is 2.6. Is it right? Bond value is 2.6. 10% savings. How much you will get? 2.6. Okay. On 2.6, we have to, how much you have to pay tax? Definitely, interest savings means interest expenses will decrease, profits will increase. 2.6 is savings. On that, we are going to pay tax at the rate of how much? 10%. 30%. 0.26 into 30%. How much you will get? 0.78. Is it right?
Yes.
0.782. 2.6 minus 0.782. It comes to how much? It comes to 0.26 minus 0.078. It comes to how much? 0.182 million. Okay. If you do the total, how much you will get? Plus 5.95. Check my calculation. 6.132 million. Is it okay?
5.95. 6.132. Yes.
Okay. Now, diluted earning per share. Okay. Diluted earning per share. Diluted earning per share is what is the amount you are having? How many shares are there? How many revised? revised earnings divided by revised, is it right? Revised earnings, is it right? Revised, I am writing this, revised earnings divided by revised number of shares. Revised N. Revised earnings is how much? 6.132. Revised number of shares are how much? 12.34 million shares. How much you will get? 6.132 divided by 12.34. 49.6969 cents. Check.
Yeah. Yes, correct.
Okay. Fine. Okay. Next. The company has made no issue of shares during the year. Okay, they have not made any shares during the year. But on that there was a outstanding options is there to purchase how many shares? 74,000 shares at the rate of how much? 250 per share. Share price is how much? 5. Yesterday we have done. Is it? Yesterday we have done. How much now? What we have to do? Earnings will be how much? Options. Warrants. What is the procedure for warrants? I know you need little bit some revision on that. Okay, where number of options. Okay, number of warrants where we have done. See the things. What is the formula for warrants? What is the formula for warrants? Warrant value minus fair value minus expected price, exercise price divided by fair value. It is there.
Yeah.
It is there. Here it is there.
Yes.
Is it right? This is warrant price times fair value minus exercise price divided by fair value. That much number of shares will increase. We don't want to do anything else. No, we don't want to do anything else. Is it right? We don't want to do anything else. Simply we have to work on that. Okay, where is that? Yes. Now, is that new existing shares are how much? Existing shares are 10 million. Okay, existing shares are 10 million. I'm changing the color. Okay, add warrant shares. Is it right? Add warrant shares. How much is the warrant shares? Is that what is the how many value of the warrant? 74,000. Okay, 74,000. Okay, times. Is that 74,000 times? How much is the fair value? Fair value market value is 4. Okay, market value is 4. Exercise price is how much? 2.5. Exercise price is 2.5 divided by fair value is 4. How much you will get? $74,000 times 1.5 divided by 4.
73,999.
How much? 74,000
Yeah, 74.
times 1.5 divided by 4. I'm getting something else. How many you are getting?
73999.
27,750. Is it right?
No, 73999. But
No. 74,000 are warrants are there. Is it right? 74,000 is warrant. It will be say 74,000. Is that 74,000 times 1.5 divided by 4. How much you will get?
1.5 divided by 4. Yeah, 27,750.
27 means 27,000 means 0.0275. Is it okay? 0.0275 million shares. Are you clear about this? 27,750. Is it right? 27,750. 1 minute. You have to be a little bit careful on that. Okay. 27,750. 2775. Is it okay? Is it fine? Check again.
We got 0.02775.
0.027 because it is how much? 27,750.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Little bit careful on that. Is it? 10.02775 million shares. Is it right? Million shares. Now, diluted earning per share will be how much? Diluted earning per share will be how much? $5.95 million, that is the earnings, divided by 10.02775 million shares. How much you will get? $5.95 divided by 10.02775. How much? Today people are not active.
Yeah.
Tired?
I don't know what happened. Sunday, no? Sunday, maybe.
First day of the weekend.
What?
The first day of the week, eh?
Worship.
Doctor, I'm still.
Yeah, tell me.
Doctor? Yeah. The 0.02775, how we got it?
Okay.
Multiply with what? Yeah.
These are how many? See, 74,000 shares are there. Is it right? 74,000 shares are there. Okay. This is 74,000 shares. I will not write again. I will put this here only. These are shares. Okay. Now, shares are there. 1.5 divided by 4. How many shares you will get?
1.5 divided by 4. 0.375.
0.375.
375.
No, 74,000 times 1.5 divided by 4.
1.5 divided by 4. Yeah, 2750.
Convert into millions.
Convert into million. Yes, 0.0. Okay, okay.
Okay?
Hmm.
Don't worry about that. Ask. Any doubt is there, ask.
Yeah, that's all I'm asking.
Is it okay?
Yeah, is it okay?
Fine.
Yeah, fine.
Next. What is the next? What is the multiple choice question? Next one. Tell me.
Okay.
In the year 31st December 2006, there are how many shares? 12 million shares. Earning per share is how much? 33 cents. In the year 31st December, the earnings for available is how much? 5 million. On 30th September, the company made 1-for-4 bonus issue. Is it right? 1-for-4 bonus issue. How many shares are there? How many shares are there? See that is 31st December. Okay, 31st December 2006, 12 million. Okay, shares. Is it 31st December 2007? Okay, 31st December 2007. What happened? They have issued on 30th September. They have issued on 30th September how many shares? They issued 30th September 4 million shares. 1-for-4 means 1-for-4 means how many shares they have issued?
4 by 5.
12 by 4, 12 divided by 4. How many? 12 divided by 4.
3.
3 million
3.
shares. Is right? 3 million shares. Okay? 3 million shares. Bonus issue. Is right? Bonus issue is how much? It is 3 million. Okay? Now, you see there are two things. If they are give like this, they are asking you two things. One is the EPS, one is the restated EPS. Okay? One is the restated EPS. What is that? EPS will be simple. Okay? 2006, 2000. This is what is the EPS? This is the EPS. Is it? This is the EPS and this is the restated EPS. Is it? This is the, they are mentioned very clearly. No confusion is there. One they are talking about EPS for 37. The second one they are talking about EPS to EPS for 2006. Is that EPS for 2007? Is it right? EPS for 2007? Is that EPS for 2007? Is it right? 2007. How many? What is the earnings? Earnings divided by number of shares. How much are earnings? Earnings is $5 million divided by number of shares are how much? How many shares are there? How many shares are there? By 31st December 2007. 31st December 2007. How many shares are there? 15 million shares.
15 million.
What is the earning per share? 5 divided by 15.
0.333.
3.3 cents per share.
Yes.
Is it right? Now, when we say restated, you have to go back. Okay, you have to go back. Okay, you have to go back. 2007 EPS times, is it 2007, the one which I have calculated, okay, 2007. We have to go back, is that at that time how many shares are there? We have only 5 shares divided by, now how many shares are there? 5. Pre-existing divided by post-existing. See what happens, restated, if it has been happened in before in the 2006. In 2006 you don't have, in 2006 we don't have the bonus issue, is it right? In 2006 we don't have the bonus issue. See what happens, this EPS is for which year? This EPS is for 2007. Is that this EPS is for 2000? This EPS for 2007. How many shares are there? This is for almost, how many shares we have taken? 1 for 4. It means how many shares we have hit it for how much? For equivalent for 1 share is how much? 33.3, but it is calculated taking into consideration 5 shares after bonus issue. But we want to know before bonus issue. Whatever the see whatever is there, see I will put for 5 shares, is it right? EPS is how much? EPS is 33.33 cents. Is it? For 4 shares. For 4 shares. Is it right? Restated EPS. Is it right? Restated EPS is question mark. Is it right? Now what will happen? You will get this fraction. You will get this fraction. 33.3 times 4 by 5. How much you will get?
26.64.
Answer is Is it okay?
Yeah.
Verdict.
Next. Answer is what?
26, no?
Which option? A, B, C, D.
Okay. 33, D. Wait, doctor will write a little bit. Yes. Okay, done.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next. Same thing. In the year ended 31st, there are how many shares are? 12 million. 31, 12, 2006. How many shares are? 12 million shares. Wherever shares, I will write shares. Wherever it is profits, I will write dollar. Okay. And the earnings available is how much? Earnings available is 4 million. Is it? These are the earnings. These are the, in the year ended 31st December 2007. Earnings available is how much? Earnings is how much? Earnings is 5 million. Okay. On the March 1st, company issued 2 million extra shares for cash. Is that they have issued 2 millions extra. When they have issued? March. Okay, March. The timing is very important. Okay, 1st January. Is that how many shares are there? 12 million. Is that they have issued? When they have issued? They have issued on 31st March. They have issued. 31st March is nothing but 1st April. Okay, 31st March is nothing but 1st April. Here, what is the time fraction? Is that what is the time fraction? Time fraction is 3 by 12. Is that they have issued how many shares? 2 million shares. Is that total is how much? 14 million. Time fraction is how much? 9 by 12. Is that time fraction is they have issued for cash. Okay, they have issued for cash. Here how many shares will be there? N will be here. It will be 3 million shares. Here it will be how much? 14. Okay, people will do with 2 million. No, you have to do with 14. 14 times 9 divided by 12. How much it get? 10.5 million shares. Total shares will be how much? 13.5 million shares. Is it 13.5 million? What they are asking us? They are asking us for the EPS for 2007 as well as 2006. Is it 2007 as well as 2006? 2007. Is it at 2007? 2006. How many shares are there? In 2006, the number of shares are how much? 12 million. In 2007, how many shares are there? N equal to is in 2007, 13.5. Is that 13.5? In 2000, this is 2006 earnings. This is 2007 earnings. Is that this is 2006 earnings, this is 2007 earnings. Now 2006 earnings are how much? 2006 4 million divided by number of shares are how much? 12 million shares.
Yeah.
It comes to how much? 4 divided by 12. 33.3 cents. Are you clear about this?
Yes, doctor.
2007 5 million divided by how many shares are there? 13.5 million shares. It comes to how much? 5 divided by 13.5. 37.03 cents. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes, yes.
What is the answer? A, B, C, D. Which one?
Hmm.
Which one?
A?
2000. I know my students are intelligent like me only.
Option C.
Option C, dear.
Yes, yes, see that. Yeah,
Is it okay?
yeah.
Now,
That is something. Yeah.
if you revise these things now, almost you have done with that, okay? You don't require anything else also. In the year ended 31st December, there are how many shares are there? 31, 31, 12, 2006, 12 million shares, yen. Okay, yen is how much? 12 million shares. And in issue, and earning per share is how much? EPS is earning per share. They have calculated directly earning per share, cents per share. Is it? Cents per share. Now, in the year 31st December 2007, earnings are how much? Earnings will be, now they are given in 5 million. The company has 1-for-5 rights issue. Okay? All step 4 steps have to be done. Very, very shortly you have to do. Is that you should not do in detail. Okay? What is the exercise price? Exercise price is 1.5. Market value is how much? Market value is 2. Is that exercise price is 1? Now, step 1. Okay? I am doing very, very shortcut. Step 1. Theoretical X rights price. Okay? Theoretical X rights price. How many shares are there? They are saying that 5. Okay? 1 for 5. 5 times. What is the market value? 5 times $2. Okay? 5 times $2. It comes to how much? $10. One share they will issue. What is the price? 1.5. It comes to 1.5. Total comes to $11.5. Total number of shares are 6. Theoretical X rights price. Is that theoretical X right price? 11.50 divided by 6. How much you will get? $11.5 divided by 6.
1.91.
1.916. Okay? 1.916 or 1.92. You can write anyway. Is it right? You can. What is the bonus fraction? Step 2. What is the bonus fraction? Market value divided by theoretical X right price. Market value is 2. Theoretical X right price is 1.92. Is it clear? Is it right? Is it clear? Initially it looks lot of things, but right now you will not find that much difficult. Is that step 3? Is right? Step 3. 1st January. Weighted shares. Okay. Step 3. What we are talking? Weighted number of shares. Is that weighted number of shares? 1st January. How many shares are there? 12 million. When they have issued the shares, rights issue, they have issued the shares of July. Okay. 1 for 5. When they have issued, they are issued in July. Is that they issued in July? How many shares they have issued? Now you tell me. You tell me. Total shares are how much? 12. Is it right? Total number of shares are 12 million. They have issued how much?
$33.
12 divided by 5. How many shares?
2.4.
Is it 2.4? Is it time fraction? Okay, you have to take bonus fraction. Is it right? You have to take time fraction when you are doing the theoretical X price. Last one is your value. Bonus fraction is how much? Bonus fraction is bonus fraction is how much? 2 divided by 1.92. Is that? This is 6 months. Is that? 6 by 12. Okay, 6 by 12. Total 14.4 million. Okay, 14.4 million. 14.4 million. What is the time fraction? Time fraction is 6 by 12. How much you will get? Tell me fast.
$8.333.
How much?
8.333.
No. 12 million. 12 million times 2 divided by 1.92 multiply by 6 divided by 12. How much you will get, dear?
2 million.
6.25 million shares.
Oh.
Is it right? 6.25 million shares. Check again. Yes, Hussein.
Yeah, yes, 6.25.
14.4 into 6 by 12. How much you will get?
14.4. 7.1.
Total, how much you will get? 13.45.
Yes.
Is it? 13.45. Now you have to calculate. Is it right? First you have to calculate they said, see the things. What they said? They say you have to calculate EPS for 2007 and restated EPS. Restated EPS is nothing but you have to reverse the bonus fraction. Okay, you have to reverse the bonus fraction. Is it right? You have to reverse the bonus. 2007. How much is the earnings? Earnings is how much? Earnings divided by N. Is it right? Earnings is how much? This is 2000. This is N. This is for the year 2007. Is it right? How much is the earnings? Earnings is 5 million divided by 13.45 million shares. It comes to how much? 5 divided by 13.45. 37.17 cents per share. Check. Is it okay? Is it fine?
Yes, doctor.
Fine? No. 2006 restated. When you say restated, 2007 EPS times reverse of bonus fraction. Okay, reverse of bonus fraction. Fine, that's the simplest way of understanding. Okay, reverse of bonus fraction. How much is there? If you take into consideration, is that if you take into consideration 30 restated EPS. What is the formula for restated EPS?
Restated EPS.
2000. previous year EPS, is it right? They said it is 2000. Huh. (2000s) restated EPS for 2006, restated EPS for 2006. They have given the EPS for the year, na? Restated EPS for 2006. Is it restated EPS for 2006? 1 minute. They are given restated EPS of 2006. What is the EPS of 2006? There are 12 million shares and the earning per share is how much? Earning per share is 33.33. Okay. Restated EPS of 2006 is the 2006 EPS. 2006 EPS. 1 minute. I will go through the previous one to make sure that things are working. Is it EPS? 1 minute. Where is restated EPS formula, dear? Where is restated EPS formula? Which page number? Which page number restated EPS? Restated EPS. I can write, but here you see the thing. Restated EPS 2007. Last year reported EPS is this much. 2007 previous year EPS multiplied by reverse of bonus fraction. Are you clear about this? Is it right? Previous year EPS multiplied by reverse of bonus fraction. It is on page number. It is on which page number? It is not there. It is okay. It is on. It is on page 317. 316. Okay. Page number 316. I will write here. Page number 316. Is it previous year EPS into reverse of previous year EPS is how much? Previous year EPS is 33.3 times bonus fraction is how much? Reverse of bonus fraction 1.92 divided by 2. I will say refer page number how much? 316. Is it right?
Yeah.
Is it? Refer page number 316 for rule. Okay, for rule. How much we'll get? 33.3 times 1.92 divided by 2. It comes to how much? 31.96 cents. Is it there?
Yeah, 31.96.
31 or 32 cents. Answer is what? Answer is A, B, C, D. Which one? Which one, my dear? 2007, 37.17, 37, it is 37, okay. 2006, how much? 2006, 32. 37 and
32.
37 and 32. Answer is what?
Yeah. D.
Option D.
Answer is what?
Option B.
A.
How 3, my dear?
37.
How 3?
Not A.
37.2. 37.2
yeah,
and 32.
And
Answer,
32.
answer is A.
A.
Okay, answer is A. Fine.
A.
See, I will put like this for your understanding. Okay? Is it right?
Okay. Yeah.
Next. Another 2 are there, okay? Another 2 are there. Tell me how we can do this fast. Can you tell me, please? They are talking about diluted earning per share. Is that they are talking about the diluted earning per share. Convertible loans are there in issue. Same thing, earnings plus savings. Revised savings divided by revised earnings. Understand point? Very simple. It is revised savings divided by revised earnings. I can say like this, okay? I will not say savings. I will say that it is revised earnings. Is that revised earnings divided by revised shares, okay? Revised earnings divided by revised shares. Now, how much they are going to say? They are saying that 5 million, okay? 5 million, 10%. Is it right? For every loans converted. Now, how many shares are there? Revised earnings. Revised earnings, okay? Existing how much? Existing earnings are how much? Existing earnings are 5 million. Okay? Notional savings is how much? Notional savings. First you have to calculate interest, then you have to calculate tax, and on that whatever the balance. Interest is how much? Interest saved. Is it? Interest saved is how much? Interest saved is how much? They are 1 million, 10%, 1 million. Is it right? 1 million. 1 million into 10%. It comes to how much? It comes to 100,000. Tax, how much? Tax will be at the rate of 30%. It comes to how much? 30. It comes to how much? 0.7. Okay, 700,000. 70. Is it right? It comes to how much? It comes to how much? 70. 70,000. Okay, 70,000 means 5.07. 700, 1,000, 1,000. 5.07. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
5 plus
5 plus, see, 0.7. Is it right? 0.07. Allah.
yeah, 2 million.
Is it right? It is how much? It is 70. It is how much? It is 70,000. Okay. Okay.
70,000.
070. Okay. 070. 5.070. Okay. Now revised number of shares.
Yeah, fine.
How existing shares are how much? Existing shares are how much? Existing shares are how much? Existing shares are 1 million. Okay, sorry. Is it right? Existing shares are how much? 1 million shares. Now conversion, how much? Conversion is how much? Is it right? Convertible at the rate of 3 ordinary shares for every 4 shares. 3 ordinary shares for every 4 shares. For 3 shares, how many issuing? For 3 shares for every 4 loan notes. For 4 loan notes, 1 minute. Okay, for 4 loan notes. For 4 loan notes, 3 shares. Is it? For 1 million. Okay, for 1 million. For 1 million loan notes, how much? 1 divided by 4 into 3.
Into
Is it 3 by 4? How much you will get?
25.
How much you will get? 3.4. 3 by 4 into 1 million. Okay, 3 by 4 into 1 million. 3 by 4 into 1 million. How much you will get? 0.75 million. Is it right? Is it right? Existing shares are how much? Existing shares are 12 million. You have to tell if I am writing wrong. Is it right? If I am writing something wrong, you have to immediately point out me. Okay? You have to immediately 12.75 million shares. Okay? Next. Are you clear about this?
Yes, doctor.
Is it right? What they said diluted earning per share. Is it diluted earning per share? 5.07 million divided by 12.75 million shares. How much? 5.07 divided by 12.75. 39.76 cents per share. Is it okay? Is it clear?
Yes, doctor.
Yes, Hussein, Sumaya.
Yeah,
Yes, doctor.
Fine. Now, in the year end 31st December, there are 12 million shares. The earnings available is 5 million. 1 million options, okay? Fair value, exercise price, okay? Fair value. Very simple, very short forward, okay? Very short forward. How much is the earnings are how much? The earnings are, where are the earnings? Earnings are 5 million, okay? Earnings are 5 million. We don't have any problem with earnings. Earnings are 5 million. Now, shares are will be how much? Existing is how much? Existing shares are 12 million, okay? 12 million shares. Warrants, there's a options, okay? Options. Very simple. Options is value is how much? Value is how much? Option value 1 million, okay? 1 million option value, is it right? Times fair value is how much? Fair value is 2. Fair value is 2 minus 1.5 divided by 2. How much you will get? How many shares you will get? 1 million times 0.5 divided by 2. How much you will get? How much?
A second ago.
250,000.
Yeah, 250,000.
Okay, 250,000. So 0.25 million shares. Total shares are how much? 12.25 million shares. Is it right? Diluted earning per share is how much? 5 million divided by 12.25 million shares. How much you will get?
Um,
40.81. 40.81 cents per share. Is it clear? Answer is
40.8 B.
Are you clear about this?
It will be inshallah.
Okay, very exhaustive Time taken, we are
Yeah.
detained for 5. Okay. Now, what is
Can you
your
just
schedule
scroll
tomorrow,
down
dear
a bit?
Mazin and Hussein, Sumaya?
Tomorrow, what, Monday?
Yeah.
It's alright. Can you just scroll down a little bit? Doctor, I want to write. Yes, yes, you know.
Yes, Hussein.